Hey there, I'm Sheryl Goodwin Magiera, your go-to guide for life's messy and magical moments. As a farm girl turned single mom, I often wondered what life would look like after my kids were grown. Turns out, it was all about rediscovering and loving myself first. On this podcast, we'll dive into topics that touch the soul, like love, loss, triumphs, and setbacks. So grab your favorite drink and buckle up. Welcome to the Imperfectly Charming podcast. Welcome to today's episode titled Choose Kindness. This story is from a few years ago where our family decided to embrace this sentiment in a unique and festive way. Instead of the traditional gift exchanges, we turned our focus towards acts of kindness, a refreshing twist that transformed our Christmas gathering into a celebration of generosity and warmth. Join me as I share how a simple change in tradition reminded us of the profound power of kindness and how it can illuminate the holiday spirit. Here we go. Kindness is the language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. Mark Twain. During this year's Thanksgiving holiday, my sister-in-law Pat sent out a communication to the family in regard to the upcoming Christmas holiday. The email read, "This year I thought we'd focus our evening on kindness instead of a wrapped gift. We'll be playing a bingo game with kind acts on the boards. When cards are called, if you have that on your game board and you have completed that act of kindness anytime between now and Christmas, then you get to put your marker on the game board. Below is a list of the acts of kindness on the boards. Don't hesitate to go beyond the list below. Enjoy being kind." Each year, the family usually has a gift exchange. White elephant gift exchange or homemade gift exchange, but I love the idea of doing acts of kindness for the month prior to Christmas. I was more cognizant about doing something kind for someone, including myself. I was encouraged the entire family would feel wonderful each time they sprinkled goodwill. Christmas Eve, the bingo game was super fun to play. Pat had creative festive bingo cards, but realized she hadn't thought about the game pieces and markers. Legos and flat-sided marbles were used as we got underway. We played 4 or 5 rounds, and the winners were awarded small gifts. They would call out their acts of kindness and the actual account of the experience. One gift remained after we exhausted our gaming options, and Pat decided we would play 20 questions to reveal the wrapped gift. If we uncovered the gift through our questions, the group would win. However, if the questions didn't reveal the gift, Pat would be the victor. For the next 30 minutes or so, the whole group determined what questions would be asked to make the most of our clues. We laughed and howled as we approached the end of our chances. On question number 20, we actually figured it out, then played another game to discover the final gift recipient. My brother Greg and I went head-to-head in a couple rounds, and he was the big winner. What a fun night. I loved how everyone in the room made an effort in being kind, helpful, and nice to loved ones, friends, and strangers. I'm confident the simple acts made everyone feel good about their actions. We should always choose kindness, for it can change the world. Remember to spread goodness wherever you go, then watch it come right back to you. Thank you for tuning in to Choose Kindness. As we wrapped up our Christmas Eve story, filled with laughter, games, and heartfelt stories of kind acts, it was clear that this new tradition had left an indelible mark on all of us. The joy of sharing these moments of kindness was more rewarding than any physical gift could ever be. It's my hope that this story inspires you to weave acts of kindness into your daily life, not just during the holiday season, but throughout the entire year. Remember, every act of kindness, no matter how small, has the potential to make a significant impact. Let's carry this spirit forward, choosing kindness every day, making the world a little brighter for everyone we encounter. Keep spreading love and kindness and watch it as it transforms not just others' lives, but yours as well. Happy holidays, and may your days be merry, bright, and incredibly kind. If you love this episode, you won't want to miss my free workbook, 7 Simple Ways to Elevate Your Life. Head over to the imperfectlycharming.com website to snag your copy. And hey, if this podcast resonated with you, do me a favor, like, share, and hit that subscribe button. And until we meet again, shine on, friends.